Welcome back to HideOut Cookout with me, Tia.
And me, Brayden. Today we're going to be making nachos. So today we'll be using white vinegar, tortilla, coriander, and cherry tomatoes. So if you don't have them, you can grab one to just put them.
We'll also need avocados, red onions, garlic, and cheese.
So we want to cut these into triangles, these tortillas.
Cinnamon!
Have you never seen that in the video?
They look like nachos to me, Tia.
Paint them what?
Yeah, sure.
Should we put food colouring on them?
No,
Joking.
no.
After you've cut them, paint them with olive oil.
Get into it. I'm putting oil on it. Oh, you gotta pick your spices of your choice. So I'm going Cajun and black pepper.
What's this spice?
What one?
Hot chili powder.
Hot chili powder. Whoa.
Don't put too much on.
You can mix it all together though, remember.
Oh gosh.
Nice technique there, Sage.
They've actually...
Gordon Ramsay. Yeah.
Would it?
Gordon Ramsay shot.
No.
It didn't have now on it.
Right, so this Cajun.
See, look, I told you need more.
You can like Doritos.
Sorry, they look like cheddars.
Karma.
We're placing them on here.
Shut up. Yeah.
Shut up.
Shut up.
Wait. If they're tiny what? No, like, you know, like a dish before.
What are you trying?
It's like washed up.
Oh no.
Oh, you washing them up.
What Doritos going everywhere?
Then I'll
Basically, we're going to put them in the oven until they go light brown.
How long for?
For 10 minutes.
what did you find on top?
What's that?
Oh.
Yours went on top last week.
So what? That's why they cook first.
Exactly.
Yeah, timer.
Oh.
Combine the tomatoes, onions, white wine vinegar and coriander to make the salsa.
I'm going to use that door.
Wait, why is it so... These are can go in the bin.
I'll go and mash it.
I'm gonna go blind.
I swear you're not supposed to chop tomatoes here. Literally.
That was you, Brayden.
Like a herb, so it's just
How do I
for
turn it side to side?
Whoa. That's nice, man.
Now, how much white wine? Oh.
Just don't get me, I'm joking.
You like Gemma Collins?
Cheese.
Are you getting the
Can I take you?
if you don't like spice, might want to nice. Wash up by the way.
Why do you...
It's Brayden, it is Brayden, isn't it? Not Brandon.
Oh, he said Brando?
No.
About what?
Then. Can I grab the bin? So basically, I'm putting the salsa all over of the nachos. And I'm going to put cheese on one side for Tia because I don't like it. For Sage?
Yeah, that's for me. The nachos.
Put them on one side.
Tell me once it's got 4 of it.
Doing?
Now I'm putting it in
No.
the grill. Goodbye.
Boy. Can you empty that instead?
I'll hold the bin open for you so you can empty.
Thumbs up. Woo! Thumbs up. Tia, thumbs up.